Ddim allan ar dir y chwarae. Miles Davies di cadw i mewn ac mae'n derbyn y bel yn ôl. Gan Chris Venables. Croesiad isel Miles Davies i'r canol a Gabe Kirkhoff gafodd yr ergyd. Arbediad gwych gan George Ratcliffe ar ei bostyn agosa. Mark Little ar tafliad. Kirkhoff yn y cwrt Cosby. Yn chwilio am le ar gydio! A mergyd wych! Gan Gabe Kirkhoff i roi Pen-y-bont ar y blaen. Wel, doedd o ddim yn edrych fel bod yna gyfle yna iddo fo. Ond chwarae teg, mi lwyddodd o'i droi. Cadw'r ergyd yn isel a chiro George Ratcliffe ar ei bostyn agosa. Dan Jeffries. Tuag at Miles Davies, mae'n disgyn yn garedig i Davies yn y cwrt Cosby. Nôl am y canol, a Venables sydd yno i orffen y cyfle. Prif sgoriwr Pen-y-bont. Gwaith da gan Miles Davies yn y cwrt Cosby. A mi bwyllodd Venables am ryw amrantiad cyn rhoi honna yn y gornel ucha. Tafliad Mark Little at Chris Venables. Nôl i Little, mae'n mynd. Sa'n canfod Elliot Richards yn y canol, ergyd dda gan Elliot Richards. Heibio i'r postyn, ond ddim yn bell o gwbl. Richards ar ei droed chwith, a doedd George Ratcliffe ddim yn siŵr os oedd hwnna'n sleifio mewn ar ei bostyn agosa fo. Gabe Kirkhoff. Chwarae'r bas yn chwilio am Lincoln McFadden, dio ddim yn camsefyll efo'r hyn. McFadden yn y cwrt Cosby, a honna fod feddi heibio i'r postyn. Mi alla hi yn hawdd fod wedi bod yn dair i Pen-y-bont. Cummings yn colli'r meddiant. Ashley Evans ar draws at Elliot Richards. Richards i'r canol. Chris Venables sy'n yno. Dim cam sefyll. Chris Venables rownd y golwr. Trydydd i Pen-y-bont. A siawns fydd y triffwynt yn saff rwan hefyd. Dio ddim am fethu o fanna.
Gafin y golled fwyaf ers i chi ddod yma fel rheolwr, pa mor siomedig oedd y perfformiad heddiw?
Wel, ni'n siomedig, fel da ni'n gwybod, maint o gemau da ni wedi cael clean sheets fel ti dweud, da ni'n ail yn y tabl am hynny, ac y goliad da ni'n diryd i ffwrdd heddiw, dim fel ni o gwbl. Blaw, oedden ni'n gwybod oedd am fod yn galad, maen nhw'n chwarae rhywbeth hefyd, os i gem fawr iddyn nhw wsos nesaf, gem fawr i ni wsos nesaf, so y ffordd mae wedi digwydd, ydy gem dwytha y flwyddyn, a gan i weld sydd eithi.
Chris, a convincing win for you in the end?
Yeah, it was. Yeah, I thought it was a good performance, solid performance, quite organised. We had an effective game plan, and the players put it into practice perfectly. I always say it's easy doing on a tactics ball, but what they put into place today was excellent. They, 1 to 11, I thought they were very good, and the subs.
Ie, mae rhaid i ni fod yn positif amdani, cos yn y diwedd, da ni'n gwybod beth sydd wedi digwydd off y cae i ni, ac y pwyntiau sydd wedi cael ei reid o'r wrtho ni. Bod da ni'n dal fod ni, da ni'n siarad eitha roc i gyd, a da ni'n gwybod da ni wedi chwarae'n dda ers 3 gem. Da ni heb di bod fel da ni wedi bod yn y 6 gem gyntaf. Blaw, rhaid i ni newid, mentally newid beth da ni'n mynd i wneud wrsos yma, nos fodd a nos iau, a fod yn... But da ni yn mynd i gyro, i ganolbwyntio, da ni'n mynd yn positif, basically, i mynd i Aberystwyth wrsos nesaf.
Yeah, we're doing okay at the moment, and I think certainly defensively we're looking very solid. Bit of pressure on us after, well, we knew that Haverfordwest were 2-0 up at half-time, so that added a bit of pressure, but it didn't affect the players at all. They were very good.
Yeah, it was a must-win game for you, of course, to take it to that final day where you will be playing Haverfordwest. Are those the kind of games you relish, those winner-takes-all occasions?
Yeah, I love to be playing in it. Obviously, it's tinged with frustration because the FAW have allowed it to be a winner-takes-all by taking 6 points off us for a poor system. So we should be home and dry now, barring a 9-0 victory from Haverfordwest next week. That's not the case, so you know it's a winner-takes-all for us, but obviously for them the draw would be enough. But it'll be a big game. Hopefully we get a big crowd at Pen-y-bont, and looking forward to it.
Chris, another 2 goals for yourselves. It was a convincing performance in the end.
Yeah, really pleased today. Obviously a big job to do, but you know, we went about our business in the right manner, and yeah, pleased to get another 2 goals.
Did you feel the pressure as a team beforehand, knowing, of course, that Haverfordwest were winning at the time, that you had to win today to stay in that race for 7th?
Yeah, we did. Hard not to. As I said, we knew what we had to do. We were aware of the other scoreline, so it was important that that we rose above it really and managed to get the result.